Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie and today I've got a quick grocery haul for you, and then I want to show you a new cleaning gadget that I got to make my life easier. So I went to take some pork chops out of my freezer. We don't have any. So I'm going to have to do a major haul soon. But from Walmart, I got milk, oats. Oats are to make my little oatmeal. They're little protein balls that I make because I need to stop sitting in my bed eating candy and cookies. And to satisfy my cravings, we can have the protein balls with the chocolate chips mixed in. Got some bananas. Got this for lunches at work because it's easy and kid-friendly. So 10 sandwiches. Got some almond honey crunchy oat stuff. I got the Activia for work. Because I'm trying to eat healthy, I stopped myself at only getting 2 boxes. Okay. Nobody sees a problem with that, right? Okay. And cheese to go on top because even though it has cheese, you have to have more cheese. Okay? There you go. Then the coconut flakes that I usually get that are unsweetened were like $3. This was $2. They're sweetened. It's fun. Got some thin pork chops, just as I was craving. I like the thin center cut. I don't know why, I just do. I don't like bones. That'll be number 1. And I don't like to see all the fat and stuff running through. Now, this is just one colored pork chop, a little bit of fat on the outside. It's fine. Then I got a package of 8 beef patties. I can either fry these up individually and just have a vegetable as a side, or I can take a couple of them and make like a little taco salad, whatever. I got 10 bags of chips to go to work to have with my my sandwiches. Then I went to the dollar store because their cookies are cheaper. And I got fudge mint cookies, and let's pretend they're Oreos cookies, because I'm eating healthy. I don't eat healthy at work. I just need food. And then I got another drawer for my desk upstairs because I've really enjoyed the other one that keeps my correction tape and stuff in it, so I thought I'd get a second one to figure out what we'll use it for. Probably put my batteries and things to my camera in that. Receipt. Then I got honey, bit of honey, haven't had that in 20 years. Got some gummy bears. Got some chocolate covered peanuts because I'm eating healthy. And then I got some Baby Ruths because they have nuts in them and I'm eating healthy. Yay. Alright, I'm going to put all of this away now. right, so I had a gift card from work. My dog is just, we don't know. We don't, Bubba. I used my gift card from work after I broke my back last weekend cleaning for 2 days straight, like 12, 13 hours each day, and it really hurt, yeah. So I thought I would get a 2-in-1 vacuum mop robot thingy. And that way, each day, I could just set it in an area, upstairs, downstairs, wherever, and let it just do a basic vacuuming. I will link this at the bottom or in the description of this video, but it just says Vacuum Cleaner T7S. I got it off Target.com. All right, so I've left a few things on the floor. I've got some dog food there. He might eat it, he might not. I've got regular dirt. I don't know if it's supposed to stay on or not. What are we doing? We don't know. Anyway, I'm going to close this door because we don't need to do every room. I just want to get a basic feel. So I've got some dirt, just little droplets. We have a nail. We have to get that up. I don't know why I keep finding this nail everywhere. Got a little dirt right there. Okay, candy wrapper. What? Okay. So yeah, I'm going to let it go around my room. I think I'm going to move this chair also up onto the bed. And just let it go and do its thing. Now, what's cool about this is this app. It's the, hold on. The Tuya Smart app. Okay? So you can operate it by that. Yeah, not good at doing all that with one hand. Okay? I named him RoboCop. This is the only device I have on here because I don't need anything else on here. You can hook it up to your Alexa or your Google Home, any of that. Let's see what we have. If we tap on him. Charge complete. Okay. So, let's show you the other way. We can hit auto, wall, follow, spiral, mop, put a timer on it, all of that. Or I have, all right, well I know I just had it. I don't know where it is, but I have a remote control. Since I don't have the remote control, because, you know, it's been 20 seconds since I put it down. I can't remember where that was. We just go and hit the auto. Do we have to hit on? There it is. And the dog loses his fun. It's gonna get under my bed. Now, will it get stuck under there? We don't know. Let's see. I tried to pick up all the cords. Gonna hit another one. Believe it, it's coming underneath my bed. I love it. Oh, here he comes. y'all are like, why are we watching your vacuum cleaner? But can I just tell you how fabulous that is? It can get under my dresser if it goes under the right part. See, there it goes. Oh, it's gonna get under there. Okay, maybe not. Maybe next time. Bye. How adorable is that, y'all? Fabulous. Lord only knows what he's going to find under there now. Oh, he came up that side. Let's see if he'll get up this dog food. Not really. But it's good for getting up the pet hair and all the things that I'm allergic to. The dust, the pet hair, just the general dirt, which will make my life much easier on the weekends when I have to, you know, sweep and scrub and mop and do all that. I'm not seeing it pick up the dog food, so that's kind of sad, but that's okay. I can always increase the suction. I think it's just on a regular suction right now. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you my cool new toy, bring you that haul, and I will be sure to link this in the description below. It's probably not one of the best models, but it's good enough to just get daily clumps of cat hair up. And I'm allergic to cats, so I'm going to need that to be getting up every day. If he wants to take some gnats with him, he's more than welcome. Oh, he did get the food that time. Okay, he got some of it. That's cool. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Have a great evening. Bye. Bye, boys. Bye. Alright, I had to close all the doors because it'll just keep on going till it hits something. I'm just interested to see how it does on the kitty litter. It just keeps getting stuck in it. Come on. There we go. Good times. You know you're an adult when a vacuum cleaner gets you excited. I'm still not done because I forgot to show you the dustbin. Let's see what it picked up. Ooh, lots of good stuff in there. Lots of hair. Let me turn it around so we can see. Okay, I can't see. Let's open it up. How do we open it? Open it on this side. Ooh. Look at all that it got. Oh, man. That is awesome. If I can get it to do that every day, whew, I'm going to be a happy lady. All right, I really am done this time. Have a great evening, everyone. Bye. Okay, one more thing I forgot. This is the cleaning pad. You just attach it underneath and you fill this little itty bitty thing right here with water. I don't know how much we're going to get clean, but you know. I'm going to let it finish my room and then take it downstairs, let it work a little bit down there, and, you know, just enjoy watching it. Have a great day. Bye.